And then I said, get your fatty acid off the floor. Am I right? Oh, sorry, I'm in the middle of something. We're back with another video. This one about the protein structure. Yeah. So, what the protein structure, what the protein structure is basically how protein is structured. There's really nothing to say that, but there's different levels of, I guess it's levels of structure. Level number 1, that would be the amino acids. When amino acids form together, and they form we just talked about that last video. If you don't know what amino acids are, go to the previous slide, and you will see what amino acids are. If you still want to know what amino acids are, that's what they are. If you can't see that, that's what they are. They combine together, and they form polypeptides. Now, polypeptides are very important in our next 4-level structure, secondary 4-level structure. First being amino acids from polypeptides. Second level structure is the alpha helix and pleated sheets, which are, what is an alpha helix? What is a pleated sheet? That is basically the polypeptide amino acid chain getting twisted and changed and whatever, manipulated into these two things. We got the alpha helix, which looks a little organized, looks a little loopy. That's pretty cool. The pleated sheet, which looks like that. Ooh. So yeah, that's that. Those are formed by the hydrogen and the oxygen from the amino acids reacting. Not like it doesn't make an explosion, but like reacting. That was my reacting thing. Reacting, bonding together to form this amino acid chain. A lot of hand movements. So yeah, that was that. Then we have the tertiary. I think that's a funny word. I don't know about you guys, but I think it's quite hilarious. Tertiary, what is that? I'm reading off paper again because I always miss stuff when my mind jumps from one thing to another. But tertiary level structure is those pleated sheets and those alpha helixes coming together to forming the polypeptides, the 3-dimensional form of the polypeptide thingies. Polypeptide chain. I'm talking too fast. They form together to form the 3-dimensional polypeptide chain, and that is kind of that's not really the base, but like it's for not most proteins, many proteins. That's kind of what it is. It's kind of the ending. For protein with more than one chain, so you can have more than one chain put together, and when those chains combine, that's the fourth level, and that is basically a huge mess, not really mess, but mess of polypeptide chains all combined together, and they form proteins. And that's kind of what it looks like. If that's the amino acid down right there, that's the pleated sheets, alpha helix, and then my screen just went black. Whoa. And that is basically it. Amino acids are in them, and that's the basic structure of a protein. Thanks for watching. See ya whenever.